Today I'm going to give you a demonstration on how to mount a cam lock box. Here's what your box would look like. This would be a box for a Bushnell trophy cam. Notice the wings that go into the back of the box. Take a leg bolt. I like to use a nut driver. It's fast. Your typical deer camera mount is about waist high and straight out. Take your deer camera, open it up, turn it on, close it back up, set your deer camera in the box. Take your lid, on the box. Today we'll be securing it to the tree with a master lock python cable, standard python cable. The cable goes through both layers of the box sideways. Like so. Through the lock hole. I like to loop it back in itself so it can't get in the face of the camera. Around the tree. Pull it tight. It's that easy. Cam lock box.